Hhayi-ke uMusa Mseliku-ke abakhiphe-ke abafazi bakhe into a retreat, taking them out nje just to unwind ngiyacabanga, you know, and just nje babe together. Into angajwayelekile angithi normally umuntu uyahlala ey'ndlini zabo yamazi uMakhomalo the beautiful house uyihlalela kakho. So uma ngwabe-ke ashare noMakhomalo noMayeni-ke they're gonna share a villa sort of, you know, and then the other ones ngiyacabanga zathi uMayeni mhlawumbe bavele bathi ngapha Mzumbe ngapha abanye kuba like naye uMangwabi seyazwana futhi noMusa. Hey uMangwabi hhayi naye uyiphiqiphiqile exokeni nini wayewumuntu naye ongathi ufuna ukuhamba. Last year nje they were not necessarily in good terms noMusa, but manje mathe nolimi-ke no literal. So bathole some gifts-ke omama-ke at their beds, and then ubaba wasebhala some letters to them, then nje appreciating them, you know, kubona leyo nto leyo, just showing gratitude and showing them nje how much he still cares. Ngizoyibeka kanjani ngithi he still cares ngoba uMusa guys sometimes I just feel like he's so selfish. Oh my gosh, narcissist. They always think everything is about them. Yo, uMacele after Masaule's passing, guys, I get it ukuthi uvela abona ukuthi u-important nathi sonke. She's a serious matriarch there. Ezobe ethi ene uMusa mayenza i-painting yakhe. Angithi they had to do the painting with this psychologist, I guess, to speak about nje ukuthi what's in the painting, what am I seeing in the painting, and then they must ask uMacele, bruh. She's like she can't even say their names. She's like, uvela afaka abantu abaningi ubaba, like angazi mina ngingenaphi kulabo bantu usho la abanye umama. Look, she must be alone kumseleku lo mama lo. uMacele, I don't have a problem with uMacele, but she's got the thing, yeah, number 1 must happen. Like she has that problem, that entitlement yokuthi nje guys noma ngenzani futhi mina nje in baba's heart I have a big place than you Makhomalo, like for example, you know. But I'm just like, guys, you need to calm down now. So ke bambuza-ke ukuthi so sisufila kanjani about the painting issue baba. Uthi I know ungihlanganisa njani nabanye abantu engahlangani nami. I expected ukuthi uzokhuluma ngami kuphela. I am just like, guys, it's something else. Because then it shows as per uMusa, right? Ukuthi uMacele did not really accept his team. She still feels like I'm alone, and uMusa is just like, you know what? Labantu bashade nami. Obviously mina manje start talking. Ngizokhuluma ngabo bonke, right? Yes, there is a space for you and ngizokhuluma futhi ngawe. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. On your own. Now that's very we are alone with this person that we are speaking to now. But which means when you never accepted this team. You're still dreaming who you are. And I'm sure it's just like that. My touch is like, oh, my baba is my baba. But they're not really here and they don't matter. Sisters. That's how she goes on. She's on the tip, actually. So emva kwaloko-ke kule villa le khona uMangwabi noMakhomalo kanye noMayeni-ke aye lapho-ke after she had like a meet-up or a meeting with the therapist and uMacele, and he went uMusa to tell them kule nye villa ukuthi bo makhosikazi wami, we have a dinner, you know. Gqoka-ke usisi mfana edinini, I tell you. Hey, uMacele naye cabanga-ke as they are trying to speak to her-ke uNdabe and unonto the therapist, they just like, okay, so asiqaleni ngawo. Obviously angithi yena uNdlunkulu. So uMakhomalo naye kodwa even her should have done that because they have their plates and it's next to them, they're just about to eat. So she's like, ngicela cabanga mabekhuluma no Macele. Macele was just like, so uNdlunkulu angithi phela uyena uNdlunkulu. So fanele abe kanjalo lathi uNdlunkulu ukuthi akufanele silalele nopelepele wakhe. Cabanga. Yo guys, inzima le ndaba yale family le. Macele, she's like in a family like yena ney'ngane zakhe. She doesn't care about the other women. Those people are not her family. I'm just like, sissy, uthini manje? So ingane zikama yeni nje no something happens to them, like you don't care. That's not your family. That's what you say. Because that's how I take it, man. And then ngapha babuza uMakhumalo is like ithuba Mndabe. Please, it doesn't matter what I think, you know. I'm like, wow guys, sifike nini la? And how uMangwaba was saying ukuthi nje mesihlangene akubi nje mnandi. So nje whatever, you know. Ngapha uMusa-ke uyamazi-ke futhi unama-childhood problems nje uyiqwadelela ubaba wakhe nje uMusa ukuthi he wasn't there for him. uMusa didn't want to repeat history wachaya kuba ubaba right nendoda right. Hey, although uMakhumalo was busy with her when that was said, she was just like, please, you're not really a great man. Hey, uMayeni, she's in her own world. Hey, as in, athi akukho thando, akukho mfudumalo, akukho yena, she didn't bring anything. And akatholanga next, hayi nayo sedlala ngoMusa manje. uMayeni nangoku uMangwabe ethi akacontribute ngalutho azamtshela ubaba Mndabe ukuthi there is no way ingekucontribute lutho. Azakhuluma noMsileko ukuthi no, uma kuthiwa ucontributile emshadweni, obviously I mean you contributed children. Ungafika nje vele ungena next mhlawumbe ungafundanga ungayi emsebenzini and contribute financially. And asho uNdaba ukuthi can we not speak about finances? Yeah, can we concentrate on individuals as people? What did you contribute? Obviously uMangwabe beyibukela phansi guys, really athi akacontribute ngalutho, but wayithola ingane la. uMakhumalo bembuza athi no, I've been told in my space in the world knows ukuthi vele mina angiyitholi ingane. So it's like I didn't bring anything and I've been told. Esho uMusa azobheka phansi guys, it was bad. Uphelele lapho anyways guys. So besiqhubeka, this was episode 12. Nginithanda over guys. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel.